Practical magic style. This is a beautiful Halloween spooky season craft that you can do with a cup of coffee or tea that looks like it's stirring itself, just like in the movie Practical Magic. Now, there are probably numerous ways to do this, but I'm going to show you how I did it. You need a mug that is at least 5 inches tall, a twist tie or your zip tie. I got that off a bag of coffee. And you're also going to need a disco ball remote motor that is battery operated. Just put it in your coffee cup. That's why it needs to be a certain height so that it's not sticking out and it will look more realistic. You can take this little pin off the top because you're not going to need that. Stabilize it with packing peanuts or bubble wrap, whatever you need to keep it centered. And then you're going to use your twist tie to mount the spoon to the little spinning bar at the top. You can also use any spoon that you want. You could cut it down to size so that it's just the arm sticking out. There are numerous ways to do this. And you can also hot glue it. I did not. It's easily removable. If you want to use it as an actual cup, it's not permanent, but you could make it permanent if you wanted to very easily by using hot glue or some kind of wax. The disco ball motor that I chose has 2 AA batteries, so it's going to last forever. And here it is in action. It's quite fun. It's a lovely prop for any kind of spooky party. Practical magic movie session that you have organized. You could make a couple of these. It would just make a great prop for a party.